I've been driving my BYD Seal for close to a year now, and I discovered this tip for quite a while already. I just don't have the time to make a video on this. Hello my friends, welcome to another Sky Perspective video. The parking cameras on the BYD Seal have been so useful, and I use this top view to assist me whenever I'm parking. I can see if my car is aligned to the center of the parking lot. Now, here's the tip. Did you know that we can tap on the car to see the positions of the wheels? Yes, we can literally see if the wheels angles and position as we approach the curbside. For example, when we want to drive up onto the driveway. So imagine there is an empty can on the street and you are trying to avoid it. Yes, it precisely shows the exact positions of the wheels and the surrounding in real time. I'm not sure how many of you already knew this, and if you find this tip useful, please give this video a thumbs up so that I know tips like this are useful to how many of you, and I can make more videos like this. And to show more of your gratitude, you can also tap on the thanks button beside the like and share buttons. This will encourage me to make more BYD Seals tip videos like this one. Thanks for watching this one, and I'll see you in the next video.